One rainy day, Robert woke up and said, "Ah, what a beautiful day." Suddenly the doorbell rang. It was his adoring girlfriend. No, wait, his ex-girlfriend. And he's like, "What?" And she's like, "I want my grandma's curio back." And he's like, "Dude, it's just a curio." And she's like, "You just don't get it, do you?" Nah, no, I'm not feeling it. One rainy day, Robert wakes up and says, "Ah, what a beautiful day." Suddenly the doorbell rings. It's his ex-girlfriend. He's like, "What?" Then she whips out a knife and she stabs him. Where do I go from there? What do I do with this? Aha! Doorbell. Ex-girlfriend. He's like, "What?" And she brings him a puppy. She hands him the puppy, and then it explodes. And Robbie's hanging out in the kitchen, and all of a sudden, BAM! It's a killer bicycle. That is stupid. Doorbell, bicycle, explosion. Nope. Killer bicycle, doorbell explosion. Not quite. There's a crazed killer on the loose with a horse mask on. You already did that one! Missed the deadline again. Ugh! Why can't I write anything original? Why can't once in my life can I make anything original? Wait. What if I'm not original? I mean, whoever said I had to be original? Not my parents. Maybe that's my problem. I mean, not everyone can be gifted with creativity. Not everyone can be a Michelangelo, or Paul McCartney, a George Lucas, or Nicki Minaj. And that's okay. It's hard making artsy-fartsy bullcrap. I can't believe I didn't realize it before. For all these years, I believed I was stupid. And now I realize that I, Jacob Willis, am a horribly, horribly average human being.